Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to link a debit card or a credit card to PayPal. To link a debit or credit card to your PayPal account, first of all, open the PayPal application on your mobile device and log into your account like you normally do. After signing into your PayPal account, from the homepage of PayPal, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Now, click on Add Banks and Cards option under Manage Finances. In the pop-up, click on Debit and Credit Cards at the bottom. You can then scan your card by tapping the camera icon and following the prompts, or you can also manually enter your card info by tapping on Enter Your Card Info option. Now, enter your card number in the first text box. Enter the expiration date, security code, and billing address in the text box, and finally click on Link Card to complete the process. PayPal supports most major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Make sure the billing address on your card matches the one associated within your PayPal account for smooth linking. You may also need to verify the card by confirming a small charge or a code sent by your card issuer. That is how you easily link debit or credit card on your PayPal account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.